Unlock the secrets to finding profitable real estate deals and launching your wholesaling career with Propstream. Step 1. Identify off-market opportunities. Once you've logged into Propstream, your first mission is to find properties that aren't listed by traditional agents. Navigate to the Search tab and click on Properties here. You can filter by numerous criteria to narrow down your ideal investment area. Think about specific zip codes, neighborhoods, or even types of properties like single-family homes. Now, let's get specific for beginners, focusing on vacant properties and those with pre-foreclosure status can be highly effective. You can also add filters for equity, a circumflex euros. Aiming for properties with high equity often means motivated sellers. Don't forget to explore high equity percentage and owner-occupied status to find motivated sellers. Even in non-foreclosure situations, the more targeted your search, the better your results. Step 2. Analyze your potential deals. Once you've populated your search results, it's time to dive into individual property details. Click on any property that piques your interest. You'll see crucial information like the owner's name and mailing address, estimated market value, and importantly, the estimated equity. This data is vital for understanding the deal's potential profitability and assessing if the seller has enough equity for you to work with. Step 3. Understand market value. To ensure you're making a sound offer, you need to know what the property is truly worth. Propstream's Comps feature is your best friend here. It pulls up recently sold properties in the same area that are similar to the one you're analyzing. Review these comparable sales to get a realistic understanding of the market value, which will help you determine your maximum allowable offer. Step 4. Connect with sellers and buyers. With your identified properties and market data in hand, you're ready to act. Use the contact information within Propstream to reach out to potential sellers. Clearly explain your interest in their property and how you can offer a quick and hassle-free sale simultaneously. Start building your network of cash buyers who are looking for distressed properties. Propstream can also help you generate lists of potential buyers in your target market. Step 5. Build your buyers list. To efficiently find potential buyers, use Propstream's lead or buyer list generation tools. You can filter by various criteria to find investors who are actively buying in your area. This proactive approach ensures you have a solid list of buyers ready to go when you secure a great deal.